This is what it sounds like inside Beth Richardson's house. And after 2 weeks of construction, she's starting to lose her cool. She describes it as
a giant jackhammer trying to jab through rock that's not going anywhere. Like constant. It doesn't stop.
The iconic yellow house used to sit here at the corner of Gladstone and Cambridge Street North. It was torn down last October. Infrastructure for storm sewers are being installed for new townhouses. But the noise...
it's ridiculous. It goes on for about 7 hours a day, every day. And I don't know what else to say. It's driving me crazy.
Chances are he's outnumbered, but at least one resident is saying, what noise?
It's like that all over the city of Ottawa. So it doesn't bother me. I get used to it.
And it looks like Richardson will have to get used to it too.
We'll be here another month anyways.
Okay.
It's just a lot of rock, so that's the way it goes, I guess.
You know what they say about Ottawa. There's winter and then there's construction. Kelly Roche, Sun News.